Dazzling Diggers by Tony Mitton and Ant Parker. Read by Keith Wickham.
Dazzling Diggers!
Diggers are noisy, strong and big. Diggers can carry and push and dig.
Look at that digger go, scooping up tons of dirt.
Dig, scoop and dump. We'll have this hole ready in no time.
Diggers have shovels to scoop and lift, blades that bulldoze, shunt and shift.
These shovels are super strong. Nothing's too heavy. Let's dig deeper. This shovel can handle it.
Diggers have buckets to gouge out ground, breakers that crack and smash and pound.
These buckets can carry loads of rocks and mud. Easy peasy.
Fill that bucket to the top. We've got more digging to do.
Diggers move rubble and rocks and soil, so diggers need drinks of diesel oil.
Time for a fuel up. This digger's thirsty. All fueled up. Let's get back to work.
Some have tyres and some have tracks. Some keep steady with legs called jacks.
Jack's locked in place.
Tyres and tracks grip hard as they travel, squish through mud and grind through gravel.
Strong tyres, strong machine. Let's keep digging.
Diggers go scrunch and squelch and slosh. This dirty digger needs a hosepipe wash.
Whoa, this digger's covered in mud. It's time for a wash.
Splash, splash. Look at all that mud sliding off.
Diggers can bash and crash and break, make things crumble, shiver and shake.
Hold on tight. This digger's making the whole place rumble.
Diggers can heave and hoist and haul. Diggers help buildings tower up tall.
Maybe the wheelbarrow's too full. Let's try balancing it better. Got it. Let's be careful and get these back where they belong.
Diggers park neatly down on the site. Then digger drivers all go home. Good night.
Good night, Digger. You did a great job today.
See you soon, digger. Don't forget to rest those big wheels.
Thanks for watching. If you had fun learning about big machines, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing stories and exciting adventures with Dazzling Diggers and all our awesome machines. See you next time!